Hi, I'm Kathy Zimmerman, and today we are going to install the Pro Stitcher on your PC, laptop, or tablet so that you can use it in simulation mode. It's a very simple process. The first thing we need is a USB stick. We're going to go to the Handi Quilter website. We're going to go to the Downloads, and then to the Pro Stitcher Software Update. On the Pro Stitcher Software Update page, we're going to scroll down to download the latest version. That current version is 18.02.0451. Depending on when you are doing the download, there may be a more recent version of the Pro Stitcher program on our website. You will always go to the download the latest version, and that will give you the most current version. It's a zipped file. It's going to take a few minutes to download. Once it's downloaded, we are going to show in folder. That's going to take us to our File Explorer. We are going to highlight it by left-clicking once on the file, and then a right-click is going to give us a pop-up menu, and we are going to select Extract All. We're going to browse. We want to save this to our USB stick. So my USB drive, I'm going to save it right there. Select that folder and extract. Depending on the speed of your wireless or your internet connection, this could take several minutes. Be patient and let it finish. All right, so then it will take you to your USB drive. You'll see those two files. You'll see the 18.02.0012. This is our pre-install file. It has some Microsoft programs that may or may not need to be updated on your tablet. And then you're going to see your update, your 0451_H, and this is your Pro Stitcher program. The first step is to install the Pro Stitcher program. To do that, we are going to double-click on the Pro Stitcher update that ends in _H. You will always get this warning message, do you want to allow this app for an unknown publisher to make changes to your device? And you're going to select yes. We're going to start the installation and confirm. At this point, Pro Stitcher is checking to see if there are any Windows files that need to be updated. So this could take a few minutes. On this particular tablet, we don't need to update any Windows files. If we did, we would be prompted to run the pre-install program. To run the pre-install, we follow the exact same process. We double-click it. It will automatically launch. It will install the Microsoft.NET framework if needed, and also the Visual C++. Once we've done the installation, Pro Stitcher is going to launch. What it's doing right now, it's looking for my motors, and of course my tablet, my laptop is not hooked up to any motors, so it's not going to find those. It's going to now notify me that I have no motors and I can only run in simulation and ask if I wish to continue. I'm going to say yes. Now it's prompting me to insert my USB stick into my Pro Stitcher tablet to get my license file. So what it's done, it's written a key file to this stick. I need to take the stick to the Pro Stitcher with the machine turned on and the Pro Stitcher turned on. I need to go into create a license. So we'll do that next. I'm going to go grab a Pro Stitcher tablet and we'll pick up there.